To use split screen on Samsung phone. First of all, open the app that you want to use the split screen with. Go back. Now here you can see three dots. Now tap on the app icon. Here you can see open in split screen view. Tap here. Here I need to select the app that I want to use the split screen. I am opening calculator. As you can see, this is a split screen view. We can use both apps side by side. You can adjust the size as well by clicking it here. You can simply close the app by tapping here and close it. So this is it for this video. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section below.